Ano bang kailangan mo i-consider if you're going to apply for a home loan? The first one is what we call the selling price. So sabihin na lang natin may nakita kang property and then yung presyo ng property na yun is aabot siya ng sabihin na lang natin 11 million pesos. The second thing na kailangan mong i-consider is magkano ba yung appraisal value. Ito yung market value based on the bank's perspective. And sometimes it can be more sa selling price and sometimes it can be lower. Example lang natin, 11 million pesos yung selling price ng seller. According to the bank, it's 10 million pesos yung kanilang appraisal value. Meron na siyang 1 million pesos na difference. Now, the third number is what we call the loanable amount. Ito yung number na willing ipautang sa'yo ng bangko. Depende yung computation nila based on what kind of property you are planning to buy. Kapag land ang gusto mong bilhin, it is 60% to 80% ang loanable amount mo niyan. Kung house and lot ang gusto mong bilhin, that would approximately be 80% to 100%. Swerte ka na kung 100% or fully financing yung ibibigay sa'yo ng bank. Bakit mas malaki yung house and lot na financing compared to the land? Primarily because sa house, pwede kasi nilang i-justify na maganda yung bahay, maganda yung tiles, maganda yung lawn, maganda yung bubong. So therefore, it is easier for them to finance the property because they have proof about the structural integrity of that particular property. While naman sa land, it's just land. Depende na lang yan sa developer, kung maganda ba yung reputation ng developer, or kung maganda rin yung location. Sabihin na lang natin na house and lot yung binili mong property at yung willing i-finance ng bangko conservatively is 80%. Most of the time, yung basis ng loanable amount is whichever is lower. So in this case, since yung selling price natin 11 million, pero yung appraisal value ng bank is only 10 million, that would mean yung 80% na basis is coming from the 10 million. That would mean 8 million pesos ang pwedeng ipaloan sa'yo ng bangko. So most probably you're asking, Sir, 11 million yung selling price. 8 million lang yung loanable amount. Meron siyang 3 million na difference. That is the fourth number that you have to remember, which is what we call earnest money, which is the difference of the selling price and the loanable amount. In this case, that would amount to 3 million pesos. Etong 3 million pesos, kailangan mo yung bayaran or kailangan mong ibigay sa seller as your earnest money. Kumbaga parang down payment. After nabigay mo na yung earnest money, alam mo na yung loanable amount, fifth step is what we call the bank process. Dito mo na isasubmit yung mga requirements mo. Usually, ID, proof of income, your bank statements from different banks para alam rin nila if you are able to pay for your monthly amortization sa bangko. Once you have submitted all your requirements and then the banks are able to see na you are able to pay the monthly amortization for 10 years, 15 years, depende na lang kung ano yung term that you agreed with them, magbibigay sila ng tinatawag na LOG sa seller. LOG stands for Letter of Guarantee or Bank Guarantee. Etong 8 million pesos, the bank will guarantee that it will pay the seller in your behalf. So sana klaro to siya, and if you have any other questions about money, lagay mo lang sa comment section.